Hi everyone, this is just a bit of an extra video. I'm going to strip down and clean my Merkur Futur, one of them, the very first one I bought. So I'm going to head outside and do that now while Mrs H is doing some gardening. It's not necessarily a how-to video, it's how I do it. It's not the best, but it does the job and it keeps the razor in good condition, working condition, so hope you enjoy it. Okay, welcome to another video, something different, and it's such a nice day. I'm doing outside, and if you can hear any sort of tapping noises of a shovel, that's Mrs H doing a bit of gardening, restructuring the landscape, should we say. So I'm cleaning my Merkur Futur. I'm going to strip it down and clean it. This was the very first one I bought, second hand, from Steve Farragon, Liverpool. So it means a lot to me, this. So I'm going to strip it down, clean it. You'll see how dirty they get. And I'm going to oil it. So what we've got is a bowl of water, hot water, toothbrush, razor, mineral oil, and dishwashing soap, Fairy liquid, which is a degreaser and cleaner. But the most important ingredient on a hot day is this Copperberg premium cider, strawberry and lime, ice cold. Not essential part of the kit, but it helps. Cheers. Beautiful. Right, we'll start off by stripping. It's on setting number 6 on here, and all I'm going to do is press like that, press the head in, and then you can untwist the handle. That comes off carefully. Now what you should do is take the head off really first, but that doesn't matter. So maybe you can see how dirty this becomes. Hopefully you can see that. Crusty, horrible. That's the handle. There's a spring there to be careful. And that bit there, that's as dirty as well. See that? So what do we do? First of all, you get your bowl. I wet the brush, put some soap on the brush, a bit like doing your teeth actually. Part bit by bit, and then common sense. Now, this isn't necessarily a how-to video, but if it helps anybody, it's the same with a mink sheet if you got one. You can hear the lots of crows in the background. Nice on a sunny day like this to do little jobs like this. That's that, drop that in. We'll just do the thread on this handle. Well, it's not necessarily a thread, actually the thread's inside there. Right, the thread's in there, but this needs cleaning. There's that dog again. That can go in. This isn't too bad. This is the cap. As I say, this soap is a clean and degreaser. Come on. So we got this bit here. That's the dirtiest side. A little bit of that soap goes a long way. The reason I'm cleaning this was when I was adjusting it the last time I used it, I think it was felt very dry, and I could tell it was in need of cleaning and oiling. Clean the thread. And there should be a spring, that's it. And we'll just clean the spring. And there we go. So I'll just let them soak for about 10 minutes. Then I'll rinse them. Okay, so what I've actually done is rinsed the razor. This is clean hot water. So it's a case then, kitchen towel. And dry them off, or a towel, whatever you want. Make sure the handle's empty inside, that's very important. We've got ants crawling on me there. Quite therapeutic this. So that's it. Been a glorious day. Head. Nice breeze. Seagulls, you know. Okay. Last but not least, the spring. So there we go, there's all the parts. So I'll leave them out now in the sun to dry properly, and then we'll oil them and put them back together. So I'll leave them about 20-30 minutes to dry. Okay, so I'm back. These have been drying now for about, must be 30 minutes in the sun, and this is the order they go back in. But first we're going to oil it with some mineral oil. Do this tidy. Just bear with me. Do the handle first. Just simply like that. Now this isn't essential, but I'm going to put some inside, and plenty of it, because when you use this, obviously moisture builds up in there, and if it's left to sit it would start to rust and corrode inside. So what I do is I always dry it upside down anyway, but I've just filled that now, and I'll tip it out. It won't stay there, but it'll leave a coating of oil inside, which will help any moisture from staying there when in use. So leave that there for a minute, like that. It may not stay like that. Right, oil the thread. That's about it. So it doesn't matter if any stays in, because it'll just dry off anyway naturally. So what we'll do now is we'll put it back as I pulled it apart, so that clicks on. That is a way, that's it, spring on onto there like so, and then we have to press hard now. It's easier said than done. Just bear with me. It's a strong spring there. It's not quite right, is it? There we go. That's it, back on setting 6. If I go down, it'll go to setting 1, and it feels much smoother. Beautiful. So that's the Merkur Futur cleaned, well, stripped, cleaned, dried, oiled, and put back together for further use. So there we go, that's how I do it. Hope it was enjoyable to watch or useful in any way to someone. It's not necessarily a how-to, but hopefully interesting to watch. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on Sunday for the weekend shave. Take care.